Hey, welcome back to Charlie B's Business with me, Charlie B. Today we're going to talk about how you can make money with YouTube. So as you'll hear, you know what YouTube is. YouTube is a place that people make videos and they can post videos. So you don't have to be an expert on video. You don't even have to show your face to earn money with YouTube. There's a number of different ways that you can do that, but one of the most powerful ways is through affiliate marketing. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is effectively promoting other people's products for a commission. So when you get a sale of that product, you get a commission. And how it works is you'll go to a company, for instance, Amazon. I'm sure you've all been on here, you've looked at reviews on laptops and headphones and iPads, stuff like that. Looked at videos and people have done video reviews. And they said, in the review, they said this is a great product, or maybe not, but this is a great product. If you want to buy this product based on the review that I've just given, you can hit the link below the video, and that link will take you onto Amazon. You go and buy that product. That person has generated a commission. They've been paid a commission for that sale of that product. And how they do that is that link that you've clicked on is what we call an affiliate link. So that ties you into that customer. So when they buy, the person with that link is specifically for you. It's made just for you, and you get a commission for it. So that's one of the best ways. I mean, once you scale your YouTube channel up and you get above 1,000 subscribers and a certain amount of viewing hours, then you can put ads on your channels. A lot of people do this. And it is a good way to make some money. There's some positives and negatives of doing that. For me personally, I never click on ads on YouTube. I always just skip the ad. As soon as the 5 seconds have passed, I hit the skip, and I'm sure there's people like you guys out there that do the same thing. There may be one that catches your eye, but people with them ads on the YouTube channels, they earn money from it. And it is a good way to generate money, but everyone that earns real good income from YouTube, they do it through affiliate links. And talking about links, if you want to find out more about affiliate marketing, I have put together a free training series. All you got to do is hit the link below. There's no sale, guys, no sale at all. It's completely free. All you got to do is put in your best email address, because the training is emailed to you over 4 consecutive days. So make sure it's a good email address, make sure it's your best email address, make sure you whitelist the emails coming from there, because I want to teach you how you can earn money with affiliate marketing. It won't be based specifically around YouTube, it's just that my training is about giving you the basics, how you can get started and how I believe that everyone can make money from affiliate marketing. So going back to making money with affiliate marketing through YouTube, well, to get that commission, you have to have a product. So the way to pick a product, you can do reviews, but the problem is with affiliate links with Amazon, the margins are very, very small. So you usually get between, I think it's something like, I'm no expert, but something like up to about 12% commission is what you'll get for a product. So if you're selling a product for $100 or £100 here in the UK, it's a small amount of money that you're going to get. It's going to take a lot of sales of that product to generate any decent income. So what I always recommend is digital products, because digital products have much higher commission rates. They're usually around about 50 to 80% commission. You can get some lower, so low ticket stuff, but also that's very, very difficult. So what do you pick? How do you go about picking the right product? Well, the only ethical way to do that is you have to buy the product. I believe you have to buy the product. You have to consume the whole thing, so you understand what it is that you're going to be promoting. And in doing so, you're going to buy a product that has taught you something. Because if you buy a product and you consume it and it teaches you nothing, you get no value from it, then you're not really going to want to promote that to people, are you? Because you're putting your name, your personal brand to that product. For me, there's one particular product that I like to promote within affiliate marketing space. It's created by my mentor, and it is a fantastic program. I talk about it a lot more in the free training series. I say this in a link just below this video, so feel free to go and check that out. anytime. Again, it's completely free, guys, you know, and it's completely up to you whether you want to take advantage of that or not. But that's what you need to do. You need to find a product that gives you the ability to make money through affiliate commissions on your channel. So you can create videos like this. You can have it where, you know, you're viewing the camera, people see your face. I think that's a great way because you're building a personal brand. You can build a relationship with people, you know, through doing so. People can see who you are. I always prefer videos. I consume a lot of videos on YouTube myself, and I always prefer videos where you can see the person's face because it makes it more personal. I'm sure you all agree. But you don't have to do that. You know, there's ways that you can do it. You can do it through slides. If you look at some of my other videos, I've got slides. I always have my face, you know, usually in the bottom corner, around about there. But you know, you can do slides. You haven't got to put your face in there. There's even softwares that you don't even have to talk. You can have generated voiceovers that, you know, you just type in what you want it to say and it will just say it for you. So you haven't got to put your voice in it, you know. And just to get started, you can get this stuff. And these softwares are very, very cheap. They don't cost a lot of money usually, a lot less than what you think. There's one that I use for some videos. It's called Doodly. Again, I will stick the link below here. You can go and check it out. Feel free to have a look. But I'm sure you've seen it. It's a drawing software, so you can make slides that are hand drawn as it goes. It's all done, you know, by software, and that way you haven't got to be on camera. If you're a bit camera shy, you just don't feel you're ready to do that yet, because it takes time. You know, doing videos and building a YouTube channel is a skill, and it takes time to do. So there's different softwares like that you can use, but you know, it's a fantastic way to do it. You know, there's a lot of content out there, yes, there's a lot of stuff out, but the market is by no means saturated with people. There's plenty of space for you to put your own mark on things. You've got your own personality, guys. Each and every one of you has got personality, and you can all put that out there. You can all get that out onto YouTube. Go and show your face, start building that personal brand up. You know, find a product to promote, whether that's a physical product, like I said, you know, that comes with limitations in terms of commission. Or if you want to get into digital products, you know, you think, well, yeah, I've listened to that, what you're talking about, you know, 50 to 80% commissions, that sounds pretty good. I want a piece of that, then like I said, jump in a free training. I talk a lot more about the digital product side of things, and I'll give you my recommendation. I'll talk to you about the program that I'm part of, and why it's so good. So feel free to do that anytime, guys. And I really hope this video has helped you out. And get started, build your channel, get started, and you can make some money on YouTube. It's done by so many people, and you can do it. I truly believe that. So have a great weekend. It's a great day, sorry guys. It's not the weekend just yet. It might be where you're watching this, but hope you have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.